In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge contacts in Hubspot, a quick and effective way to clean up duplicate records in your CRM. If you've ever noticed multiple entries for the same person or company, you know how messy that can get. Merging contacts helps keep your data accurate, organized, and easier to manage. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once the page loads, click the Login button located in the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can manage all your CRM activities and tools. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look at the navigation bar at the top. You'll see several sections such as marketing, sales, service, and CRM. Go ahead and click on CRM. This will open a drop-down menu with different options. From there, select Contacts. The Contacts page lists all the people and companies saved in your CRM, whether they were added manually or imported from another source. Browse through this list or use the search bar to find the contact you'd like to merge. Once you locate it, click directly on their name to open that contact's detailed profile page. Inside the contact profile, you'll see a variety of options and information, including notes, emails, and call history. Now, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a drop-down menu labeled Actions. Click on it, and from the list that appears, choose the option Merge. After selecting Merge, HubSpot will prompt you to find the second contact, the one you want to combine with the first. Use the search bar in the Merge window to locate this duplicate record. Once both contacts appear, you'll be able to review them side by side before confirming. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. The primary contact you're currently viewing will remain as the main record after merging, while the duplicate contact will be merged into it. HubSpot will automatically combine all the key details, including emails, notes, calls, and activities, into one unified contact record. When you're ready, click Merge to confirm your action. The process only takes a moment, and once it's complete, you'll have a single, clean contact profile containing all the merged information. It's important to remember that this process is permanent, so double check before you confirm. But once you've done it, you'll notice your contact list becomes much more organized and managing relationships becomes far more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to merge contacts in HubSpot. It's a simple process, but incredibly helpful in maintaining a professional, clutter-free CRM. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for easier HubSpot and CRM tutorials. See you in the next one.